Hello everyone, welcome back to Learner's Manual. This is your Venkat, and in this video we will be discussing about Java environment. To do that, I am opening Eclipse IDE. Click on Launch. So I am opening SRC, control structure, control N, and I am creating a new class with a class name as Java environment. I'm selecting public static void main and I'm clicking on finish. We don't need that comment, so I am deleting it. Enter. So in this just I'm going to print a statement, print a word like hello world. I'm saving it, control yes, and I am executing it. So it's printed hello world over here. It is amazing, right? Program displays output on clicking execute button. But you guys are wondering how things work behind the scene, right? So actually we write programs in programming languages like Java. So let me open to explain it to you guys. I am snipping the screen. So these Java languages means this programming language which are high level languages. This is an high level language. See, hello world. A human can understand hello world, but not a computer. So computers generally understand binary languages. They are zeros and ones. And in Java, there is a programmer writes a program. There is a program and a compiler. Java C is a compiler for Java. It compiles and it converts into binary code, byte code. Okay, so this is a byte code. So normally what happens, you will write a code sitting and typing it in English. You'll be typing it as hello world, for example, hello world, and this, while you execute, when you click on execute, it goes into something called as interpreter or compiler. So it converts this hello world, it will convert into a byte code using a compiler. Compiler is nothing but a translator. You can say it as a translator. It converts the high level language into binary language, and that binary language will be zeros and ones. In this case, it's a byte code which is not understandable by a normal person, because let me show you a byte code how it look. So I am opening a file explorer. So going to this PC, D, Java coding, control structures, SRC, control structure, not bad. Okay, so this is a normal program, like it's a high level program, so you can understand it. A is equal to 1, a less than or equal to 10, something like this, you can understand it. But now let's go to bin control structure, same sequential dot class, or apps notepad. Okay, see, can you understand anything? Just some words in between, source file sequential.java something, but you can't understand each and everything in this. You are able to understand it because these are general words, or else you can't understand anything, and this is known as bytecode. Okay, so in the next video I'll be giving you an example how to convert an ASCII value into a binary code, so that you will get a clear understanding, like how a high level language will be converted into a binary code. Okay, until then, take care and bye. Let's meet in next video.